Okay, guys, what's going on? So we're doing the brakes on the 1998 Jeep. Just pulled up home yesterday, and my power steering box on my truck is shot. So the truck's gonna be sitting down. We're gonna get the Jeep on the road, so I got something to drive around. New Year's is coming up, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working with. These are the brakes and rotors now. So we got new rotors, we got new brakes. Hopefully these calipers aren't froze. So we're gonna slap everything together and we're gonna take it for a drive and see how everything works. And other than that, we gotta get the part for the truck. So that's gonna get fixed after New Year's. Spending money right now like it's going out of style, which I don't have. So we're gonna just knock everything out, and I'll show you guys the part number for the brakes and rotors so you guys know what to do for this 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. So I'm gonna get back to you in a little bit. These are the brakes. These are the front. These are the rear. The rear have the smaller ones. The front. Got Zach finishing up the last tire. Cluster works. My boy got it. I'm just gonna start this thing real quick. See? 230K. I gotta figure out what's wrong with the radio, but let's go take it for a drive real quick. No, I gotta hold it this way. Alright guys, this is the before after shot. Now cutting the exhaust off on the bits. Just got all the brakes done. Alright guys, so the exhaust is already rotted out. I'm not saying the whole truck is rotted out underneath, but Zach is going to be cutting the exhaust. Zach, just go back from the muffler. The resonator and the muffler we gotta cut out.
Yeah, we gotta take this pin out.
Yeah. Okay, alright, well, this is garbage. Stow it. Oh, I told you guys I'll show you the part number for this Jeep, for the brakes. So these are for the front. There's the part number right there. And the rear should be the same, but I did get my part for my four-wheel drive for my truck. It's right in there. So once we get the four-wheel drive fixed and the power steering pump and the power, we're gonna get her fixed and everything. But that's gonna have to wait after New Year's. I just can't do it right now. So we're just getting the Jeep tuned up, new spark plugs, oil change. And how's it going down there, Zach?
There's so much rust falling off of this thing.
Is it?
Want to drop it on your fucking drive.
Dude, so what? I got the power wash. I'll power wash it after. We should be going upstate this weekend. We're gonna be hauling this with her. We got the toolbox in the back of the bed. This truck is no more of my daily driver. This truck is not. So this is gonna be the daily.
Yo.
Yeah.
Do you have anything we could use to get this clean?
Whatever you see, Zach, cut.
This blade is shot, you know.
Just cut myself. So, I'm gonna unlock the Jeep. Let's see. Yeah, it's cold. Alright guys, so we got spark plugs. We're actually going to do a quick tune-up on it, on the Jeep. So, alright, so we got spark plugs. Obviously, there's 6 of them. This one's going to be a little bit of a pain, if you guys can see it, right under there. Cylinder 1. Knock it out. And we also got oil. Let's do an oil change, 530. Synthetic. Alright, there she is. We took out the air filter, we're getting a new one. Alright guys, so that wraps up the project for today. We did all the brakes on the Jeep. We are doing the spark plugs tomorrow. I did not have the right socket, so we actually did the oil change. We got rid of the exhaust. She's running just a little bit rough, but we're gonna get it inspected tomorrow. We're gonna get it insured and everything like that. We're gonna be taking this Jeep for a 3-hour trip upstate, hopefully, if everything goes to plan. And just stay tuned. We're actually putting the lift kit. Again, it is getting colder out, so it is very hard to stay outside because it is freezing outside. So we're gonna be getting the lift kit in. My truck is actually down until the new year. The power steering pump, the reservoir, and the gear completely shot. So we're actually getting that ordered up next week. I'm gonna be showing you guys me putting that in step by step. The door pins, we did the door pins. Guys, I'm gonna make a video on that. It's going to be just me showing you and talking about them. I'm going to show you the part numbers to get the right door pins instead of going back and forth trying to find the right ones, because there are a lot of different door pins out there. The right ones with the right bushings, trust me, it was a nightmare with me. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got, what you should look for, and hopefully not make the mistakes I made. So guys, please have a safe night. Happy New Year. Guys, please subscribe, like the video. Have a good one.